and so I've taken the pallu and put it over my left shoulder. I've made sure that the pallu is not as long as I normally like it, just because I need more fabric. This is just a 6-yard sari, and I need more fabric for the pleats up front, and you're gonna see in a moment. So you wanna put the pallu over your left shoulder and then wrap it around your body and bring it to your left side, and then start pleating. And again, you wanna leave about 1.5 feet of material and start pleating. And this drape I found works best with Kanchipuram saris because it really gives you that extra length that you need to cover the cancan. So I would definitely recommend this with a Kanchipuram over other sari types. And so once you have your pleats, and you can see, even though my pallu is pretty short, I don't have many pleats here just because the cancan is so much volume, you wanna make sure you have as many pleats as possible here so it looks full. As you do for a regular drape, you wanna just bring this like that so it gives you that nice shape here. And then if you have any rogue pleats like this, I would just press it down to the bottom. And just shake it out. And then you just want to work with it until you're happy and pin it into place. So I'm just going to pin the pleats first. And I'm just kicking to see the length that I need to tuck it in so that it's not too short. You want to take the end of the rest of the fabric and just pleat it down the side. And like you did for the previous drape, you just want to take it and tuck it into the back. And then you just want to fix the pallu and the pleats so that you like them. And for this one, I would definitely recommend a waist chain kind of to hold everything in place so it looks nice and neat. And this is the Cancan version of the Nivi Drape.